showing you. Okay, can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Hmm. So, first line is latitudes. Okay, what is latitude? Latitudes are lines on a map that run parallel to the equator. What are they? What are latitudes, beta? Hello?
Parallel to the parallel
Yes,
to the equator.
yes. Now, latitudes means line on a map that run parallels to the equator and which locates position north and south. Okay? Whereas equator is what? It is an imaginary line that horizontally circles the earth halfway between the north and the south poles. What is equator? Write down these points in your rough book, beta. The definition of equator and latitude. Yes, beta. Written?
मैम
हाँ बेटा.
मैम 2 मिनट का आप लास्ट लेक्चर में लॉन्जिट्यूड के पॉइंट्स लिखा रहे थे
Okay. We'll
तो
reach
वो
there.
लिखाने के बाकी है
Yes, we will reach there after few slides. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes. This is the easiest language that I have found out for you to remember latitude and longitude, equator, so that beta, the concepts are clear to you. Okay, that is why first note down this before you go for your Muharram break. I want you all to see this. Written, everyone? Written? Written or not?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you write? Read.
Latitude. Latitude on a map that run parallel to the equator. Lines on a map that run parallel to the equator.
Yes. What is latitude? They are parallels. But they are parallel to whom? They are parallel to the equator. To whom, beta?
To equator.
Yes. Locates the position north and south. Whereas equator is what? Written? What is equator?
Imaginary line that horizontally circles the earth halfway between the north and south poles.
Yes. Imaginary line. What it is? Imaginary line that, what it is? Imaginary line that horizontally circles of the earth halfway between the north pole and the south pole. Hmm. Yes. Can you see up there is north pole and down there is south pole? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you see? Girls, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So, see the latitudes. Can you see between the latitudes 15, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree? Can you see? Then again, 75, 60, 45, 30, 18. Can you see? Can you see better? Say yes or no if you can see.
Yes.
Yes, so you understood? The north latitudes are up towards the North Pole, right? And the south latitudes are same, 15 degree. Then what it is? 30 degree. What it is, Rabia? Can you read the degrees?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from 90 degree.
0 डिग्री से रीड करना, ड्रॉ भी हम 0 डिग्री से ही
Oh,
करते हैं.
0 degree. Then 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, and 90 degree.
Yes. Then again, go from North Pole to equator if we reach.
90 degree, 75 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, 15 degree, and then equator 0 degree.
Yes. Then from 0 degree to South Pole if we go, pole, huh? 0 degree equator to South Pole, I'm saying. Say, say, Rabia.
Yes, ma'am.
From 0 degree to South Pole.
15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, and 90 degree.
Okay. And from South Pole to equator if we go,
75, 90 degree, 75 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, 15 degree, and 0 degree equator.
yeah, very good. Very good. So you understood how we can locate latitudes? Understood or not? Girls, understood or not? Wait, I'll show you in your textbook now. Girls, are you are able to understand or not what I want to show you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See this. Now you can understand circle and angles. Yes, understood? Just as how from 0 degree equator to North Pole है, वैसे ही North Pole से 0 degree equator. Then from 0 degree equator to South Pole, 90 degree नीचे South Pole, and from 90 degree South Pole to 0 degree equator. Understood? So you can also see in this map. Can you see? Can you see, beta? The degrees down,
Yes,
they are longitudes.
Yes.
Yes, and this side they are latitudes. See, 0 degree, then on the northern hemisphere, 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. Then down on the southern hemisphere, again 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. Understood? Yes. Now here comes what you wanted to write. It. Chala. Chalo. Now we will see about longitudes. Yes, you were writing no longitudes in your rough book.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So continue from there. Longitudes are what? They are lines on map. What are they? Lines on a map that run east and west of the prime meridian. What are they, beta? What are longitudes?
Ma'am, your voice is so slow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, girls. Rabia, you are not able to listen me?
Now
Hmm.
it's okay.
Hmm. Huh?
No, ma'am, now it's okay.
Okay. So longitudes are what? They are lines on map that run east and west of the prime meridian. East and west. Okay, of the prime meridian. Now prime meridian is again what? It is a 0 degree longitude. What it is?
0 degree longitude.
Yes, it is
Ma'am, we
0
wrote
degree.
5 points.
It is a 0 degree longitude. Now see here, it is shown. Can you see meridians? Prime meridian? Hmm. Can you see? See, from starting from the prime meridian, the red arrow, dark red arrow, you can see or not. Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the 0 degree prime meridian and the others are other meridians, right? They are known as meridians. Okay, they are known as longitudes. Okay, now this I'll explain later. First, we'll see this lines of latitude. First, lines of latitude run parallel to the equator, while lines of longitudes do not. These lines are called parallel because they never intersect. Each degree of latitude is equal to 111 kilometers on the Earth's surface. Okay. Chalo, write down these 2 points in latitudes part. Okay. Then we will write in longitudes. Okay. Yes. What you are going to write?
लॉन्गिट्यूड के पॉइंट में कंटिन्यू करना है
You speak loudly. Your voice is not audible.
मैम.
Speak loudly.
लॉन्गिट्यूड के पॉइंट में कंटिन्यू करना है.
See the heading, beta. Chalo, written everyone.
नो मैम, 1 minute.
Written, say yes or no.
ये लिखना है. नो मैम.
Yes. This is why I'm on hold. Written. Be fast, girls. I want to show you many things. Okay, so the degree of latitude is equal to 100 kilometers on the earth's surface, whereas longitudes, if we see, okay, longitudes are what? They are second lines of longitudes, that is meridians. They do not run parallel to the reference point. Yes, what do? They do not run parallel to the reference point, the prime meridian. Since they meet at the poles, the distance between the lines of longitude is larger as you go closer to the equator and smaller as you go to the poles. Is it clear? See, same these things are written in your textbook, but in a different way. Okay, this presentation I have made for you to understand it more clearly. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, better read this.
Ma'am, can I read more this?
Yes, Modesa, read better.
Yes, ma'am. Major longitudes. Number one,
मेजर नहीं,
prime
मेजर बोला है, मेजर लॉन्जिट्यूड.
major major longitudes. Number one, prime meridian Greenwich. The 0 degree longitude that passes through Greenwich in England is known as prime meridian. It divides the earth into two vertical halves, earth eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It has longitudes extending up to 180 on both eastern and western sides. Since it passes through Greenwich, it is generally referred to as the prime meridian as well.
Very good. Understand? Yes, Modesa. Read better, international dateline.
Yes, ma'am. Number two, international date line. There is only one 180-degree longitude which is known as the international date line. When one crosses the line, the day and night
This line,
changes.
one
The
crosses.
international
This line, third
day,
line नहीं.
day line, international date line, this line, the day and date changes. The international date line passes through the Pacific Ocean and separate, separates to calendar date. It is not exactly 180 at all places the line since the line cir- since the line crossing across several time zones. This is because if it is drawn straight, then the line has to pass through many islands, and due to this, they might have 2 days and 2 dates on the same island. This might create confusion. Therefore, the line when it passes it our land is shifted towards water bodies, and so it is known as straight but zigzag.
Yeah, so it is not straight, but it is zigzag. So it is about what? It is about same, the longitude, right? Now see, one more point I forgot to discuss with you, that 1 degree of longitude varies from about 0 degree, okay, from 111 kilometers at the equator to 0 kilometer at the poles. Why? Because at the poles here they meet. Can you see here? Can you see here? Up, huh? They meet. Same as same in the
Yes,
down
ma'am.
also. Yes. In the down also here they meet. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Now this degrees of minute. Okay, that I'll be explaining you. You know what is this? Minutes and seconds. Note down this in your book. It's very important. minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree of latitude or longitude. And see the sign in the bracket. Can you see this sign? Can you see this sign, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
This sign is usually drawn for minutes in the latitudes and longitude. देखो 1 डिग्री लिखा है ना, उसके बाद मिनट्स आ जाती है. ओके, सो राइट डाउन. Minutes is what, and the symbol also write down. Okay, written.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Written, everyone. Then see seconds. How do we write seconds? Can you see down? There are. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Second is equal to 1 minute of latitude or longitude. Now see. For example, longitude. If we say, so each and every longitude, each and every country does not pass in the particular longitude, right? They have minutes and they have seconds as well. Do you get my point? We'll do that in the other chapters, but this is for your general knowledge. Okay, understood till here? Now we will see local time and standard time. Okay, 1 minute, beta. International dateline also we did, right? Now we have to do the local time and the standard time. But before that, we will see this. Yes. Modesa, continue.
Yes, ma'am. The sun is the biggest clock of the earth. The time at any place is decided by the position of the sun in the sky and its longitude. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes in all, 180 to the east of the prime meridian and 180 to the west. In this way, 15 longitudes pass by the sun in 1 hour. One longitude takes 4 minutes to rotate. Thus, there are different of 4 minutes
There are
between
there is.
there is difference of 4 minutes between two adjacent longitudes. Therefore, the time in different places on the earth varies as
Varies.
per their
Varies nahi, varies.
longitudes.
Yes. So the sun is the biggest clock on the earth. What is the biggest clock? Sun. Right? The time at any place is decided by the position of the sun in the sky. And the second thing is its longitude. What is the second thing, beta? The position of the sun, and the second thing is its longitude. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The earth completes. Uh-uh. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. Okay? There are 360 longitudes in all. 180 to the east of the prime meridian and 180 to its west. Clear? In this way, my dear students, 15 longitudes pass by the sun in 1 hour. How many longitudes pass? 15 longitudes pass by the sun in 1 hour. Okay? One longitude takes 4 minutes. How much time it takes? One longitude takes 4 minutes to rotate. Thus, there is a difference of 4 minutes between the two adjacent longitudes. Therefore, the time in different places of the earth varies as per their longitudes. Is it clear till here, everyone? Clear till the above paragraph, all of you? Girls, am I audible? Hello? Hello? Girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, beta. Revise now local time rate, beta. Mhm. Yes, you will read this local time.
Can I read? Can I read, Vilma?
Yes, Ilma, read, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Local time. The time taken according to the overhead position of the sun in a particular place is known as the local time of that place. It
Differs.
different
Differs.
differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude.
Longitude
Longitude,
में longitude बोला है. Okay.
longitude. When any longitude faces the sun directly, it would be 12 o'clock noon.
12 noon. 12 noon.
12, 12 noon. All the all the place on the longitude in this
On
place
that longitude. On the longitude नहीं. On that longitude.
longitude. In this way, the local time of the place decided
Is
according
is decided
is decided according to mid noon. The place located on the same longitude have the same time and place located at different longitude in the same country have different time. In a country, if the local time is different in different place, it can create problem in admi, admission,
administration.
administration. How can one work in such situation? What must one do to solve is problem? Let us understand.
Yes, of course. Local time. Okay. Now, what is local time? The time taken according to the overhead position of the sun. According to what, beta? The overhead position of the sun in a particular place is known as the local time of that place. Is it clear? Of a particular place. Okay. It differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree. Okay. Every 1 degree. Say every 1 degree it differs by 4 minutes. When any longitude faces on the sun directly, it will be 12 noon in all the parts. Okay. Of that particular place on that longitude. In this way, the local time of the place is decided according to the mid moon. According to what it is decided, beta? According to the mid noon, એટલે કે બપોરના 12 વાગ્યાથી. Is it clear? The places located on the same longitude have the same time, and the places located on different longitude in the same country have different time. That is why, beta, in United States of America, USA, they have four time zones. How many time zones they have? Four. Because the countries, the location, okay, the places which are located on the same longitude will have the same time. Okay, and the places located at different longitudes in the same country have different times. So, beta, when they have different times, it is quite natural that if the local time is different in a particular country, what will happen? Different places, it can be create problems in the administration, right? So, a standard time is decided. Okay, what is decided? A standard time. કે ભાઈ ઇન્ડિયાનો સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ટાઈમ છે તો the local time of a place which is situated in the middle of the country is taken as the standard time of the particular country. This means that, like for India, if we see, the standard time is decided up from Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, now which is that longitude? That is 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes through Allahabad. On that, the standard time of our country is decided. This means what, beta? What does it mean? That time is fixed on the basis of a particular longitude in a particular country. Okay, which is known as it's a standard time. Okay, so Allahabad, if it is 12 noon in Allahabad, so it is 12 noon everywhere in the country. Is it clear? This makes it convenient for the smooth administration of the country. So Allahabad, Uttar Pradeshમાં અત્યારે 10 વાગ્યા હોય. So every one of us have 10 o'clock right now. Is it clear? The standard time of India is decided upon girls. The standard time of India is decided upon the longitude 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes from Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. From where does it pass, beta?
From Allahabad to